Hey everyone, it's Holly, and today I'm back with my fourth look. I think, yes, red, orange, yellow, green. Okay, yes, fourth look. So obviously today's color is green, which is obviously my favorite eyeshadow color ever. So naturally I went in crazy with this one, with the green lip and everything, and I am thrilled with how it came out. I hope everyone else likes it too. So if you want to see how I did this, then without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. I'm starting off with the James Charles Morphe palette, going into that bright lime green color. And I'm just throwing that all around in like a circle. And I'm going pretty close to my eyebrow, just swinging that through. Doesn't really matter how messy you are, because honestly this is going to be the very, very bottom colors. I will also go through and deepen up this color later, because honestly between all the different green shades that we put on, this color kind of gets lost within all of it. Digging into my Conspiracy palette, I'll be going into Illuminati. I am seriously so obsessed with this color. You have no idea. This was my most anticipated color in the whole entire palette. Besides, of course, that green Put It Back shade that I really, really hope we get to see soon. But anyways, yeah, we're just running this through the crease and going all the way through, just like we did with the other color, but going right underneath that color. And just deepening this up as much as we possibly can, getting that super, super, super dark. Then I'm just gonna take my Drug Lord Velour liquid lipstick, this bright white color, and I'm just going to throw that right into the center. And since I have hooded eyes, I just like to look up, because then you can actually see where your crease is. Yeah, like mine goes all the way up there, so we're gonna want it to go up that high. Otherwise, if you have hooded eyes like me, you won't even be able to see the color, and that would not be fun. It's so crazy to me now that I do my makeup. I feel like since I've been doing these looks every day, I just feel like I'm getting through it a lot quicker than I used to be. I'm just finding myself a lot more confident in doing it. So that's so awesome. Now, this is my first time putting this palette on my eyes. I'm definitely gonna be making a video of this palette right here. This is the Makeup Revolution palette in Chilled. I am so obsessed with it because greens. Like, we all know that I love using green eyeshadows. I'll be digging into Candyland right here. We're just gonna be putting that right next to that dark green color, but still avoiding that middle area because we want that to be that bright green color. And then also doing it on the inner corner as well. I'll be using another green in a minute here just to blend these two colors a little bit better. My absolute favorite part about doing halo eyes, and I don't do them very often. This is maybe my third time doing it, but the best part of it is when you get to do that center piece where it's like the brightest. It is just so satisfying. So yeah, I'll be digging into the Alien palette now, and I'll be going into the shade Alien. And then, like I said, just throwing that right into the center and blending it into those other two green colors right next to it. It's so crazy the difference once you actually blend it. Like, I can just see on the different eyes, I'm like, ooh, yikes. Like, it looks like so messy right now. If you're doing your makeup and it looks really bad halfway through, chances are it'll pull through and look amazing in the end. I have learned that from my short time of doing makeup. So going back into the Makeup Revolution palette, I'll be going into the shade Mist right here. And we're just gonna put that kind of in between the darkest of dark colors and that other green. There we go. Like, you can see that difference right away. Like, that blends so beautifully, and I think the inner corner you'll definitely be able to tell even better. Yeah, like, this makes such a big difference. So then going back into that lime green color, I'm just gonna go all the way up here and bring that green color back out, because as you can tell, it definitely diluted as I put all those other colors on. And you want that to go all the way to the center. You want this to be one big rainbow around the whole eye. I also forgot to do this earlier, but that's fine. Better late than never. We will do the shade Calm in the Makeup Revolution palette. And I'm just throwing that all the way up here, just highlighting that brow bone area. Then I'm just going back into the the Conspiracy palette, and we're gonna be going back into Illuminati. And this is where we're really going to notice the pop of colors. Like, you really want to deepen this up. Oh my gosh, this looks so gorgeous. Like, it changes the whole look once you deepen these colors up. It's gorgeous. I'm just taking a clean brush and just kind of blending those outer colors just to give it that nice soft look. I'm just throwing some black eyeliner up on the top. And going back into my e.l.f. Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. I'm not going to do anything too crazy on the top. I'm just lining the top of them very thinly just so that once I put the eyelashes on, it just looks a lot better. I'm going to hop off the camera, do my face makeup, and then we're going to finish up this look. Yay! Alright, now I'm just going to use my 24/7 Urban Decay eyeliner in the shade Loaded, which this is just like a nice emerald green color, and just running that along the lower lash line, running that along the waterline. That color is so pretty. I swear, it just makes my eye color like pop. Going back into the Conspiracy palette, we're going to grab that Illuminati shade. We're gonna bring this through the lower lash line. Just really wanting to smoke this out too. Then I'm just gonna grab a more flushy, I don't know, I was gonna say flushy, but a more fluffy brush. And we're gonna go back into Mist, which is that like darker shade. And I'm just going to be kind of smoking this out. No pun intended, given the state of this palette. Okay, this brush is not working. So there we go, that's what I'm looking for. That is perfect. That right there. So I'm going to go into my Platinum Ice palette and getting Alien Ice. It's like this super, super bright green, and throwing that into the inner corner. And I'm using the wrong brush for that again. I'm just not paying attention to what I'm using at this point. That is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm still debating if I want to do a green lip or if I want to just keep it as like a more neutral-ish. I don't know how green I should go with this. I'm kind of feeling like I should go big or go home, right? Right, that's what I'm thinking. I'm actually gonna put on Ice Cold on top of that green, just to make it more white instead of green, because I really want that halo part to stand out instead of the inner corner, but I kind of messed that up. I honestly want to like smoke this out a little bit more in the corner. This color or green. You know what? It's a green look. So we're gonna go green because why not? So I'm using the color Mistletoe Velour Liquid Lipstick. My cat keeps bumping me and this is giving me super anxiety. I'm like, don't you dare bump my hand. My favorite trick for this green lipstick, I don't have an actual gloss that goes well with this, but I saw this on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Reddit page. This is the Candy Apple Drip Supreme Frost. This is absolutely genius. Major props to the person that I learned this from. All you do is rub your finger in there and dab it on your lips. And look at that. Now, this doesn't feel great for all day wear, but it works if you want some cool pictures. Or you could wear it all day, but probably not gonna be comfortable. So there, I have the lipstick on. Now I'm just gonna pop on some lashes and then you will get to see the completed look. Here is the completed look. I think this is honestly, I think I said this about every single look so far, but this is literally by far my favorite one, hands down. And yes, I know I have zebra arms. I didn't really realize you could see that in the video. I am definitely going to be doing more halo eyes because I feel like this just, It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I don't know why I stayed away from so many of these techniques for so long. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for my next look that will be blue. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!